What do you see? Or rather, what don't you see? You'll find a blurred out patch, a digital void, a massive black hole where massive facility sits. Why, in the age of hypertransparency and satellite imagery, is one of the most powerful and secretive installations on Earth so aggressively hidden. The no-fly zone. It's not just digital blurring. There's a physical no-fly zone around it too. No planes allowed to fly over it. They don't want you to see it. But what if it's not just what's there now, but what they've been hiding? What if they've been hiding something far more older, far more profound, something that wasn't built, but it was found? We're talking about figures like Edward Snowden, who confined in the Five Eye Alliance, which included Australia's operations in a way that bypassed national laws. They paint a picture not just of a spy base, but something far grander, far more unsettling, something underground. The land itself, let's talk about the land itself. The ground Pine Gap sits on, what if this isn't just random desert, but a place with unique, powerful, energetic properties? For thousands of years, this land has been known to its true custodians, the Ariante people. To them, country isn't just dirt, it's a living entity, pulsing with energy and a source of healing and ancient wisdom. Traditions speak of sacred sites of the land nourishing mind, body, and spirit. What if Pine Gap was built on one of these profound energy points? And some researchers point to unique geological features in the area, unusual magnetic readings, certain rock formations that could hint that this being an energetic nexus. This leads us to the heart of the wasn't built but found theory. What if the US and Australia didn't build Pine Gap from scratch? What if they discovered an advanced, ancient, subterranean complex or technology already existing beneath the surface? Imagine an ancient mechanism, a lost technology, designated not for war or spying, but for harmony, a device that could amplify healing frequencies and enhance human consciousness, or even tap into the Earth's very life force, the ultimate inner tech.